Bravey. It's time to learn colors.
Let's go to the red world. Wow! Everything is red.
Red like apples, bright and sweet.
Red are shoes on Leo's feet.
Red balloons fly in the sky. Wave to red birds flying by. Repeat after me. R-E-D. Red! Let's go to the yellow world. Wow, it's the yellow world. Yellow sun is shining bright. Yellow stars light up the night. What color is this? Repeat after me. It's yellow. Look, Bravey, the green world is coming. Wow, everything is green. Green like grass and big tall trees. Green like peas and wobbly knees. What color is this? Repeat after me. It's green! Green world was fun. Bravey, look! The blue world is coming. Wow, everything is blue down here. Blue like fish that swim and play. Blue like oceans far away. Blue like fish that twirl and glide. Blue like waves we ride and slide. What color is this? Repeat after me. It's blue! Blue world was beautiful. Look, Bravey! The purple world is coming! Whoa! Is this a dream? Everything is purple! Purple flowers all around. Purple kites fly without a sound. Purple grapes so round and sweet. Purple umbrellas can't be beat. What color is this? Repeat after me. It's purple! Bravey, do you smell that? It smells like cotton candy.
Whoa! Are we going to the pink world? Let's go!
Whoa! Everything is pink and squishy. Pink like flowers, soft and sweet. Pink like candy that we eat. Pink like bubble pops in air. Pink like bows in bunny hair. Everything here is so pink and pretty. What color is this? Repeat after me. It's pink. We had so much fun learning colors. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.